Hi guys, an incredible convoy is happening, an anti-ULEZ convoy. We've got ourselves a convoy and this one is going to be an epic one. You do not want to miss this. This is happening this Sunday on 10th of September. It's going to converge onto Whitehall, just outside Downing Street down there. And why do I say converge? Because there's not one but two convoys happening here. There's two separate things that are going to come into London and are going to converge and come together, all in solidarity to stand up against the the atrocity, can I say, of ULEZ and the infliction of pain that is caused on Londoners in outer London. So what is exactly happening? Where can you see it? How can you get involved? I'll tell you everything. Oh no, actually, I won't, but I've got the two organizers to tell you everything right after this.
A brown car guy.
How you doing, everybody? So this Sunday is our ULEZ free and proud convoy into London, and we've got a group of supercars, modified cars, sports cars, classic cars, hot rods that basically we're all ULEZ free and we're proud of it, but it's to highlight the absolute stupidity, idioticness, hypocrisy and contradictiveness of this scheme. Now, as petrolheads, we're there to support the ULEZ protest. We are 100% against ULEZ. We cannot believe that our vehicles are allowed to roam London ULEZ free, but people that are just trying to support their family, support their businesses, are not allowed to drive in the expansion zone. It's absolutely ridiculous. We're not happy about it, you're not happy about it, and even more so, we're not happy about it because the next step is going to be banning all our cars as well. But anybody you ask outside London thinks this is ridiculous, that a van or car can be banned from the inner London area, but a V12 Lamborghini or a V8 supercharged classic is ULEZ free. People can't get their minds around how bizarre the system is. So we're going to come into London to celebrate how wonderful our cars are and the fact they're ULEZ free, but at the same time we're just highlighting the total idiocy of the scheme.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Excuse the state of me, I'm in the process of work at the moment. This is just a short video to tell you a little bit about what's happening Sunday. So Sunday we have the Super Convoy. The Super Convoy is two convoys. It's a convoy of the Anti-ULEZ convoy, which we normally have, and all the people that attend. This time we're also going to be joined by some of the London black taxis. It's also there's an additional convoy of the petrolheads, which Petrolheadonism, which is supercars, and they're joining us. The reason they're joining us is because, you know, the carer, the nurse in their 1.4 Corsa has to pay to come into London from now on, and the tradesman that's in their van, such as mine, has to pay to come in, but there they are in their V12s and their supercars and everything else, and they get it for free. The kind of showing the hypocrisy that goes with this scheme. So what's happening on Sunday? We've had to make some some alterations. We were made aware yesterday that there is a Royal Naval thing going ahead at Whitehall, and which means Whitehall will be closed until 1 o'clock. We show the utmost respect to the armed forces and don't want to take away from their parade, so we've made some changes. So all vehicles that are joining in this convoy from the anti-ULEZ side will meet as planned at 9 o'clock at Tesco's in Neasden, but instead of leaving at 9:30, we're going to leave around about 10:30. But that'll give us time to have a coffee, a chat, get our vehicles ready and everything else. We're going to then proceed towards Whitehall, which takes us past Marble Arch. If we're too early, by the time we get to Marble Arch, we're going to do a few laps around Marble Arch and raise awareness there before proceeding to Whitehall, but we'll play that by ear on the day. At the end of the day, we're going to get to Whitehall around about 1 o'clock. The police are really appreciative of the fact that we've accommodated this parade. We're arriving at 1 o'clock. We'd like all the foot protesters to be there around about 1:45, but please don't go down Whitehall until the parade is finished. And then the supercars are going to join us about 1:15. I've spoken to the Metropolitan Police today, and they're going to accommodate us as well. So let's look forward to a fantastic convoy. Meet you from 9 o'clock to 10:30. We leave at 10:30 from Neasden, so please be there before then. Between 9 and 10:30, if you want to be part of the communication of WhatsApp, of the Zello app as well, get there early so we can sort that out as well. And let's get to Whitehall for about 1:45, 1 o'clock. We're going to have a fantastic convoy. We're going to get this message out loud and clear. And with the supercars arriving at 1:15, plenty of photo opportunities, and let's have a great day. See you soon. See you on Sunday. Bye.
So there you go. Those are the details. If you need more information, then these are the two posters or the two images that are going with that. Feel free to share this video so that other people can get involved. If you also want to get involved, want to find out even more about it, you can go onto the two main Action Against ULEZ Facebook pages. Just search for those, but there's also a dedicated Facebook page. It's called Can't Stop ULEZ Con-Voy. So Voy is split into two, Con and Voy. Why? I'll let you decide. But anyway, it should be amazing. And in fact, even if you're just into cars, it should be a great day out. The Petrolheadonism guys are amazing, and the cars that are in that group are absolutely spectacular. Don't forget, they've also got a massive event going on at Nebworth on the 16th and the 17th of September. And it's just all the car influencers are going to be there. All the most amazing cars are going to be there. It's going to be a brilliant event. And this is going to be like a snapshot of what you can expect. So if you're into cool cars, there's another reason you simply got to come down to this. So I'll see you there on Sunday at Whitehall. It's going to be amazing.
Brown car guy.
Hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please hit the like button and share this video as well if you can. And while you're at it, check out these guys who also sponsor my content. I am deeply grateful to them because it helps me to buy new equipment, put fuel in the cars, and yes, buy a cup of coffee. You can do the same. Just go here or right here on YouTube. Just hit these three little dots down here and click on thanks. Make sure you're signed in first. My content is free, but this is how you can help me keep it that way. I may even send you a gift. Oh, by the way, watch this next.